Hey everyone, Tech No Manager here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix cellular data or mobile data not working on your iPhone by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Very first thing is you're going to pull down from the top menu here and put your phone on airplane mode briefly, 10-15 seconds or so, and then turn it off. It does a quick network refresh. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually go into your setting on your device, and then you're going to click on cellular right here. Now from cellular here, you want to make sure the data is on. Now if it is on, just turn it off for a moment and then turn it back on just to refresh it. Now another thing to keep in mind is that if you are traveling, you may need to turn on data roaming right here. If you are traveling, if your thing is allowed, you want to turn that on. Keep in mind that can also apply charges, so also want to keep that in mind. But when you're traveling, it may be required as well. And then also you want to make sure under these option for data that you have one of these selected if you want LTE, 5G, or any of them that it is. And then a data mode, you want to select either standard or more data. You don't want low data mode, as that may actually slow down and feel like your data isn't working. Now let's say you followed all this. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is just restart your phone. You can pull down the top menu, click on the power icon up here to turn it off, and then turn it back on with this. You can also use the volume up in the side button. Just hold it and press it, slide it over, and then turn it off, and then turn it back on. After you do a restart, the next thing you want to do is go into your setting, and then you want to check if there's a carrier update. So for that, you need to go to setting, general, and then about. And you're going to wait here for about 10-15 seconds. If there's a pop-up that comes up for carrier update, click on update. Now if it doesn't come up, that means there is no carrier update. The next thing to do is updating your phone. This time you're going to go to, in the general section, software update, and check if there's an update. If there is, go ahead and update the phone as well. For this, you may need to connect to the actual Wi-Fi because cellular data is not going to work and you need internet connection. So make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi before you do the updates. Now, if you're still not getting this or it's still not working, the next thing you want to do is, if you happen to have an iPhone that has a physical SIM card, you want to take the SIM card and reinsert it back in. On this phone, it's on right here is a SIM tray. Sometimes it's on the left or the right, depending on the phone model. You're going to get a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip and just simply pop the SIM card out for a moment and then push it back in. I don't have a SIM card on this one because it uses eSIM. But if you use an eSIM, you want to contact your carrier just to make sure your account is in good standing. Sometimes they may block something or it's not in good standing and they need to refresh something on their end to do that. Now, after you have done that, it's still not working. The next thing to do is in your main settings, you're going to go to general, and then you're going to go down to transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset, and you want to do a network setting reset. A network setting reset will reset the network settings themselves. So you need to enter the password and do that. It will not delete any of your data. And last thing to keep in mind is that if you're still having cellular data, you want to try to move to a different area just to see if you are not in an area where the coverage is low. And also, sometimes what happens is when you contact your carrier, they may say that there is a carrier outage, which happens from time to time. Sometimes it's a brief outage for maybe 30 minutes to an hour, sometimes several hours. You may have to just wait it out till the outage is fixed on their end before you get cellular data. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.